feeling. Slow down time, cause it flies so fast. I'm trying to.
Christening, Bri, wish ko sa'yo, sana mabuti kang Kristiyano at maging masunurin kay Mami at Daddy. Love you!
Every low and every high.
Hello Brianna! Welcome to the Christian world. Ayun, lagi kang mag-iingat, syempre, hanggang paglaki mo. Then maging mabuting anak ka, then mapagmahal sa magulang.
My love, I want you to feel loved, want you to be free.
Hi Brianna, happy baptism day. So I pray na lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos at you honor your parents. And I also pray na maging successful ka sa buhay mo. Nandiyan lang ang Mami Daddy mo to always guide you and protect you and love you. I hope na lagi kang maging ligtas as you grow old and mas makilala mo pa si Jesus sa buhay mo. God bless you and nandito lang si Nino ang palade para sa iyo.
As sweet as you are now, even when your fears try to bring it down.
Hello Brianna, welcome to Christian World. Wish ko lang sa'yo maging mabuting anak ka sa mama at papa mo. Andito lang kami mga ninong at ninang mo. Handang gumabay din po sa'yo.
Brianna, welcome to the Christian world. Gawin mong si God ang center ng buhay mo and maging masunurin sa mga magulang mo. Yun lang, thank you.
Hi Brianna, welcome to Christian World. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, kay Mami at Daddy mo. Tsaka, yun lang, maging katulad ka ng Mami at Daddy mo. Patulungin sa lahat ng tao.
Iyana Kala, binibinyagan kita sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. God bless you.
But falling to my arms so I can tell you it's alright. Take responsibility and own any mistakes. You'll get through anything even when your heart breaks. Don't apologize for being who you are. Shine bright, you are a star. I want you. I want you to feel loved, want you to be free, want you to be anything you dream you can be.
Ama, bilang iyong lingkod, iniaalay ko kaming lahat, si Brianna, sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Ito po ang aming dalangin. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo. Amen. Amen.
Ayun lang. Basta nandito lang lagi si Ninang para sa'yo. Papayakin ka araw-araw. Ayun lang.
Thinking, breathing, feeling.